Action started. Teal are already starting to pour in. Here we go, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Nice. Back.
Where's it?
Hold. There she got it.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Three coming in right now. 3 teal.
On the left.
Teal, come on.
Pretty crazy. In fact, we can shoot 10 more.
2, 1,
take it.
Two.
Shot or
redemption. 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 Redemption.
Good shot. Back. I believed in him.
There it is. Come up.
Now, yeah, there she saw it.
You can barely see.
Yeah, you couldn't see. It was terrible. Huh, I never saw it come up. Well, when I called it, I thought they were going to just break right across here, and they broke the other way.
Get him. 22. All green wing still?
Yeah.
That was a green wing.
Come on, cat.
Go, get him.
A green wing teal.
Dad.
About to go shoot a couple of them coops. There's their shoot coming. Come on. Why don't you just get back over
I
here?
can pull right there and just pull in. Oh gosh.
So wait, what?
Well, that is our 5-man limit. What time do we get done by? 9? All green wings.
He quits every night before he goes to bed.
Oh, we had one gadwall. Is that hen or drake?
I'm stuck.
All right, one hen gadwall. The rest were green wing teal.
Oh yeah. Oh, I was talking about on the boat ride, but yeah, there were
Eat a rod.
on the way back. We had paid him to come out every 4 months. He's like, look, I'm just gonna come out here every month, all right? You need to charge us any extra. Good God. Do you have any issues getting the boat over here?
Mm-mm. Yeah, we won't. You just put a drop in, like in that, and then mix it with rice. And if I'm very good at convincing people that you don't want to deal with the O&M,
How is it?
then